Well, MTM's been in business for over 49 years, and the one thing that we have found in this industry is that there is constant change. Ammunition is changing, guns are changing, hunting is changing. This is just a natural progression in our ammo crate business. We've had our smallest one here, and we have our largest one. This is just another progression. Well, this was a product of our development team. We found that not only us, but our consumer was wanting to segregate or segment out their ammunition and other items in the ammo crates. But we said, you know what, you could put segments in there, but why not give them something where if they wanted to, they could take whatever out and they could take it where they want. Well, the main feature of this item is flexibility. You got the ability to grab whatever caliber of ammunition you want, or whatever tools you want, or whatever mags. You store this, put whatever you want in it, and then you can take it where you need to go. Or you can take the whole thing with you. All the boxes can be opened up while they're in the case, and you can feed out of it, and when you're done with that, you just go to the next ammo. And you got it there. Most people don't buy one of any of our ammo crates. They buy several, and they like them to be stackable. We made this item a very stackable, where it nests into the top of another one, or something can nest on top of it. You've got two strong, sturdy handles. Holds 85 pounds worth of product. Actually, it'll hold more, but we only rate it for 85. And then you have a place for ATV tie downs, and also you could put a rope handle in here if you want to make it like a military type of a ammo crate.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.